Welcome. This video is an ultimate guide on setting up your SONY Google TV. So during the setup process, you're gonna have to use the arrow keys to navigate and OK button to select. If you want to change your decision, use return button to go back. First of all, select the language that's right for you from the list. Then select your region or country. Then you can choose either to set up Google TV or Basic TV. Basic TV is a Google TV with limited features. You can see the list of features on the screen. I'm gonna go with Setup Google TV to perform the full setup. And after that, we have two options. You can either press the down arrow key and select Setup on TV, which will let you set up your Google account on your TV using your remote control. This will take a lot of time, so I do not recommend doing this. Instead, I recommend using your smartphone. First thing you have to do on your smartphone is download the Google Home application, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. Just search for Google Home app. Here it is. Here's what it looks like on in App Store, and it looks the same in the Google Play Store. Download and open this application, give it all the allowances that it requires, and then tap the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen. Select Device, then select Search for Device, and select your Home. Tap Next, and then let your device start looking for devices around. Once your Google device is found, check if the TV name you see on your smartphone matches the one that you see in the top left corner of your TV, and if it does, then tap Next to continue, and after that scan the QR code you see on your TV screen and let your smartphone connect to your TV. Once your devices are connected on your smartphone, click Accept, and then select the room where this device is located. You can select any option from the list, it won't change anything. So I'm gonna select living room, for example, and tap Next. You can also add a custom room name if you want to on this page. So maybe room 1, for example, or maybe room and the smiley face. Then connect to a Wi-Fi. So select the Wi-Fi from the list that is your main Wi-Fi or the one nearest to you. Tap Next and then enter the password to it on the second page. After that, let your TV connect to this Wi-Fi network. Then it's gonna be confirmed on your smartphone too. Then you're gonna have to sign in to your Google account by clicking Continue and letting your device sign in to your Google account. Okay, so we're almost done here. After that, you're gonna have to choose Google services for yourself. This doesn't make much difference. Basically, they are all optional, so you can switch the toggles on or off to your preferences. Then click Accept. Then select the language for your TV once again. Okay, let's select English Singapore. I'm not sure if it's okay, it's gonna be a different assistant. Okay, okay, now choose your services. Sometimes you'll have some services already selected. but basically just choose the ones that suit best for you. Then tap next to confirm. Then you can also choose an ambient mode, which is a screensaver for your TV. You can either go with Google Photos so that you see your own photos on your TV screen, or you can select Art Gallery and go with the photos prepared for you by Google. I'm gonna select Art Gallery, and we have featured photos, fine art, earth and space, street art. Select the ones that you want to see and then tap next. Then you can either sign up to any news for your and recommendations, or you can click no thanks and do it later in settings. Click next, and at this point the setup is finished. So let's give our TV a moment. And now we're gonna have to continue with Bravia setup. So either grab your remote control or press OK on it. Then you're gonna have to agree to privacy policy to continue. To do that, navigate all the way down and then select which features you want to be shown on your screen. You can either agree to them all, or you can proceed without selecting anything. Then you can also agree or disagree to interactive application privacy notice. Then you can also set up a privacy lock for your TV. Then re-enter it on the second page. Choose your power saving mode. It will change your brightness level on the TV. I'm gonna go with low. Then if you want to set up any kind of connection on your device, select the one that's right for you. Or if you don't want to set up anything, just click skip below. Then if you want to connect any other device to your TV, like PlayStation or Xbox, you can do this right now, or you can connect them later. Then select your TV's position, either wall mount or tabletop stand. I have a tabletop stand, so I'm gonna go with the first option. And then let's go through the acoustic audio calibration. So the TV will check the acoustics in the room. It's a quick process, so let's click next. Then let's select while using the app, allow, and then just hold your remote and the chest level pointing towards your TV and click start. Click next. Then you can either register your TV using Google account or register with other email, or you can skip this step and go further. Okay, click next. Now you can select the Samba Interactive TV Ad Personalization, Analytics and Measurement, third-party licensing, and other choices if you want to. You can accept them all. Then click Save and Exit. Okay. Now select Complete and wait for a moment until your TV is set up. Now you can choose either to add multiple profiles or go straight to your Google TV by choosing the option below. And at this point, your TV is fully set up. Your applications are located in the apps menu. So if you're looking for apps or if you're looking to install apps, go into the apps tab. Now let's also check the settings. So in quick settings menu, which you can find by swiping to the pressing the right arrow button to the very end of this list at the top of your screen, you'll be able to, for example, enable screensaver, adjust picture, connect to other Wi-Fi networks, connect Bluetooth devices, and also adjust accessibility settings. Let's finish the setup to set up optional features. And here we can choose either Google Photos as screensaver, so once again, or add multiple profiles. So I'm not gonna do any of this, but if you wanted to finish any of this right after the setup, then you have to do this right here. And so that's it. That's how you set up your SONY Google TV. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.